All right, hi, it's Daniel Murphy, and we are here to take the dead center of this beech tree out. It's a big center there. I'm gonna go open the bucket truck. There's a lead on the right, a big limb on the right that's gonna have to come off. Best way to get top of that tree down, the fastest, actually safest and easiest way, and safest for the tree so we don't scratch the tree up, is actually gonna be to jump that whole big top out there. I'm guessing that's like 28, 30 inches even, might be 60 feet tall. Jump it out, and we're going to land it across the two pieces that already fell out in the storm. Hopefully get her to land flat. I don't want to scratch up the trunk or the bark, so I'm going to try to get it to move away from the tree. Cut all the dead wood out, make sure there's no crossing branches. We're going to be pulling with the skid loader, which is nice, and we have a redirect block set up on this maple here, which is going to be plenty strong, and it'll give us a good direction of pull. I put a whoopee sling around the anchor tree, and then a long sling off of the whoopee sling, so that we have a good direction of pull, not quite parallel to the driveway, but slightly to the left into the open field here. And probably would come in with some different method if the tree wasn't on its way out, but it won't be around forever no matter what. A lot of top. Yes, sir. I'm gonna make the cut somewhere right below that rip right there. This lead here, which I checked. It's one little tiny twig that's kind of crossing, but beech fortunately has a real nice directional pattern of growth, and there's not a lot of crossing branches here I'm gonna have to mess with, but still, it's a big cut. The lean's gonna be away from me, but still I got this lead over here going out left over top of the bucket. So I have to make up my mind. Do I want to make this cut from the bucket, come down and then pull it, or otherwise jump out of the bucket, come on down, make the cut from the rope? Tough call. I got to see what my position is going to be like from the bucket. But nevertheless, it's a lot of tree right there. It's got to be 60 feet. And it's about 60 feet to that sidewalk over there. See, we got the two pull lines. The one going straight to the trees. This 3-to-1 mechanical advantage. Two guys pulling just as a safety line. I think we have a little front lean here actually, but that skid loader is going to get it over when the time comes. Plenty of pull there. So that's our safety line. The thing about this brittle beech is, you know, normally you want to put a pull line up here somewhere, but you just can't trust any of this stuff. So that one we're just pulling by hand. This one here, the low one, is going to get pulled with the loader. Jumping out here across these padding logs here. That's the plan. All right, there's the cut. Pre-made it from the front with the bucket truck. I could have jumped onto the hooks and cut it from behind, but decided against it.
That's a narrow notch to give us early separation to jump that piece.
Maybe 25 degrees, 20 degrees. And the back cut's been made, and there's a lot of top up past there. Yes, sir. That's a lot of tree. One cut, she's gonna be on the ground. I'd say that's a pretty big drop there. All right, this took a lot of the brunt here. This padding log here. These two down here took a bunch of abuse here. There's one. The wood's laying on that. Got a little bit of weight dropping down here. Not much. Woo. Damn. Look at that dead beech. You can rely on it to fail.
Yeah.
Hey, that's my idea of a good time.
You had fun?
Yeah.